I saw the advert on Facebook, and I've previously done some trading before, lost some money then, so I just thought it'd be an interesting to see just get some training on it and see what was available.
Because I'm really a startup in Forex, and whatever you guys were talking today about, that's briefly my knowledge, and I just want to know more.
Because I've looked a wee bit into trading, and I just wanted to learn more about it before I actually maybe divulge it, go into it. And I just thought that looking at other courses online, I think coming here was very, very helpful, because it seems to have the full package and there's no hard sale, and it seems to be a genuine guy.
Well, I heard there was going to be a training strategy was outlined, and I had always had trouble doing one up, because any of the webinars that you go to, they say, you need to have this price going in, you need to come out with this, and entries and exits and stuff, and it confused me so much. But yeah, so it was for the training strategy.